It's Jim Kelly with my friend Linda Craft from Linda Craft and Team Realtors. Find her at lindacraft.com. And Linda, I want to get into do-it-yourself projects because DIY is a big thing. Always has been with hardware stores, but now with the big box stores, they kind of glamorized it and have the special seminars on Saturdays. You can bring the whole family out and learn stuff. And it's fine to do projects yourself, right?
Absolutely.
But when it comes to selling your house, then you got to start thinking a little differently, huh?
We know the great thing about DIY is there's such a feeling of accomplishment
Oh, yeah,
when you get
absolutely.
finished. But there's two different types of DIY people out there. Those that are learning as they go and those that really know what they are doing. And both of them can have issues when it comes time to selling. So, for instance, if you did it yourself and you don't know what you're doing, you learn as you go. Your friends and family probably all told you how beautiful it was, and the realtor comes in and the buyers come in and go, oh my gosh, the floors that you laid are crackling, the alignment isn't there in the crown molding. I mean, you can just tell right away that, you and your son did that together on the weekend. It was a lot of fun.
I tried.
Yeah. Then the other one is the person who absolutely knows what they're doing, and they have a masterpiece, but they're so confident in their abilities that they don't get a building permit. And so now we're trying to sell it, and you have unpermitted space that's been, that should have had a permit, and we've got to go back and take care of that before we can actually sell it because nobody wants to buy somebody's problem. So if you messed up the floors, they want to tear it out and redo it. It's going to cost you about 3 times what it did to save that money.
Man.
And it's just a pain. So get a permit and do it right.
Yes. Find out about DIY projects with Linda Craft from Linda Craft and Team Realtors, lindacraft.com.